Okay guys, I'm just heading to my sweet basil plant to pick some sweet basil to put in my smoothie. So this here is a sweet basil. So I'm going to pick these leaves on top here. So I'm just going to pinch off right here. And you can see there are new leaves underneath here. And this I'm going to use about 4 of these leaves to put in my smoothie. Something else that I also I'm going to put in my smoothie is something called turmeric. This is the plant for the turmeric. So this is how the turmeric plant looks like. So you get the turmeric from the root. So of course if I pull up the root there at the bottom there, you would see, if I pull up from the bottom there, you would see the turmeric. Over here again, it's in this pot, there is another turmeric plant in there. Maybe I can, let me see if I will be able to show you. Something else that I'm also going to put in my smoothie is ginger. So this is how the ginger looks. I'm going to try and see if I can kind of show you how the turmeric looks. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but let's see. Look, I see a little one here. So this here should be under the soil, obviously, but this is where, that's the turmeric. So that is what you would actually pick in order to use to put in your food or your smoothies or whatever. This is the raw turmeric, and this is how the plant looks like. And I have a little visitor here. This is Cinder. Hi, Cinder. Meow. Meow. What happened to you? What happened? What happened? What happened to Cinder? Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my watermelon and blueberry smoothie. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use in order to make my drink. So here I have some watermelon cut up. Here I have a piece of ginger that I just cut in two. I also have 1 clove of garlic and a piece of turmeric as well. Here I have some blueberries, as you can see, and I also have 4 sweet basil leaves as well that I'm going to put in my drink. I have something here called camu powder. This is very high in vitamin C, so I'm going to put about a half teaspoon of this. I'm also going to put some manuka honey, and I'm going to put 1 scoop of my bone broth collagen in it as well, and of course a little bit of water. So let's get to putting everything together. That's about a half cup of water that I added to it. Now I'm going to put in some manuka honey. there you have it, folks, our watermelon and blueberry smoothie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and most importantly, don't forget to share the video. That will really help me out, guys. So I would really appreciate if you share the video with family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye for now.